ride in Air Force One, presidential motorcade. Who needs all that when you've got Uber? Wait, do we ride Uber? No.
Ay,
Our driver. That's right.
oh, gone.
We should probably get going. The interview's about to start. Okay, well, wish me luck. Secret mid-round handshake? Yeah, you bet.
Today I put the anti-pulci on, so this is a treat for that. This is it. This is what I put on. She's like, no! Bye-bye.
2012 Republican presidential nominee.
Uh-oh. She's really excited about this. She ate half of it. Oh, no, it was just half of one. So I think she can have one. Freyja! Oi, oi. No, come up. Come up here. Here you go. It's good. No more. Finished. One is enough for... It's a lot for today. Bye-bye. Yeah.